up, guys? Welcome back to Tampa Boys Customs. Guys, look what Tampa Boys Customs just got. Heck yeah, welcome to the fleet. Big shout out Minibike Madness. You see the sticker right down the front. Guys, this little thing is ripped. What's up, Court? What up, boy? Guys, we got the new bike. It's idling a little rough. It needs a little tuning and stuff, but let's take it for a couple laps. Try just wheelies. Oh, just a minute. rubbing real bad on the chain. I gotta cut a little bit more out of it. These reins don't have no clearance, man, for a torque converter. I go to the Jacksonville race on, I think, May 23rd. And then, Jeff Duck Racing, we're going to race something into June at the Ocala, my favorite track. We'll really put it up. This is a 972 gear ratio, and this thing just wants to wheelie. I love it. Fast. Okay, I'm done. Something is vibrating anyways. I think I pulled the motor loose, wheeling. I'm scaring who, the baby? Okay, you'll get used to it. Guys, this thing is certified, man. Holy crap. Dang. What a ripper, folks. Let me get this helmet off. I can show you a little better look at the bike. I had to steal the air filter off the Trailmaster, and I had to steal the torque converter cover off the Trailmaster also, but that's no big deal. We'll get those replaced. Oh, man, I thought I had my, oh man, where'd my, oh, I took it, it fell off. Where's my hairnet thing? Guys, so big shout out. There it is right there, guys. Mini bike madness, man. I've been wanting one of these bikes since I rode one. I haven't had a chance to get one. This opportunity fell upon me. The wife needed a bike too. Yeah, that's some sun up. I believe these are 821s. Guys, look at that sprocket. Is that thing not massive or what? I think these are, what are they? We'll find out together, guys, because I have no idea. I'm shaking from getting off this thing. Where does it say it at? My other one's, oh, 821s right there, yeah. 821s, guys. Good tires, man, a lot of grip actually. I was really surprised. I didn't think there'd be that much grip. So as you can see, the motor's sitting on these studs, and I don't like that. So I'm gonna make some motor riser plates like I do for all my other bikes out of that channel that I use. And we're gonna weld that motor plate all the way out. You can see there's some gaps in there. We'll weld that all the way out and do a couple things to it and paint it purple or pink or something for the wife. She'll be racing it. Guys, it's certified. It rips. Heck yeah, I'd be seeing a lot more of this bike. That was a lot of fun. Guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel, share this video out, guys. We really appreciate it. We're gonna hit that 2K here in just a few, real soon. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.